In beginners lesson number 7, you will learn 4 ways of showing or pointing out to something. This, that, these and those. This is a singular noun which is close to you. That is a singular noun which is far away. These are plural nouns and that is close to you. The plural nouns are all close to you. And those are plural nouns which are far away. So throughout you will learn this, that, these and those. Then with that subject of the sentence, you will have verb to be in the singular and plural form is and are. We've throughout only simple present tense. So here to be is acting as the main verb of the sentence. And then you have the noun which again is in singular and plural. Check the way in which different types of singular and plural formation is given in this lesson. Once you practice this, your English becomes better. This is a clock. That is a clock. These are clocks. Clock plus S, plural, is becomes are. Those are clocks. For noun clock, we used a as article. For noun apple, we use an article. This is an apple. That is an apple. Same plural rule. By adding S, apple becomes apples, plural. These are apples. Those are apples. This is a leaf. That is a leaf. Plural of leaf, L-E-A-F. F changes to V and we add E-S. So we don't say leaves, L-E-A-F-S. That is not the way. L-E-A-V-E-S. Plural of L-E-A-F. These are leaves. Those are leaves. This is a mouse. That is a mouse. A mouse is a small rat. The singular mouse, M-O-U-S-E, becomes plural mice, M-I-C-E. These are mice. Those are mice. This is a tooth. That is a tooth. These are teeth. See the plural? T-O-O-T-H, tooth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Plural of tooth. Those are teeth. This is an elephant. An elephant for sound which is a vowel sound. That is an elephant. These are elephants. Just an S to make plural. Those are elephants. This is a box. That is a box. These are boxes. Add es for plural and pronounce as is, not as es. Those are boxes. This is an ox. Ox is bull. That is an ox. These are oxen. Look at the plural. Ox is not oxes. It is oxen. En you add for plural. Those are oxen. This is a fish. That is a fish. These are fish. Fish same form for singular and for plural, not fishes. Those are fish. If you want to show different types, then you say types of fish, not fishes. This is an owl. Owl is a bird. That is an owl. These are owls. Owl plural, owls with addition of only s. Those are owls. This is a child. That is a child. Child plural, children, not childs. These are children. Those are children. This is a woman. That is a woman. Pronunciation, woman. These are women. Look at the spelling, no change in WO. Changes in MA becomes ME. But pronunciation, women, we men. Those are women. This is a knife. That is a knife. Knife plural, FE becomes VES. These are knives. Those are knives. See the pronunciation, knife, knives, f and v. This is a sheep. That is a sheep. These are sheep. Sheep singular and sheep plural, no change. Those are sheep. This is a goose, a bird. That is a goose. Look at the plural. The double O in the singular becomes double E in the plural. These are geese. Those are geese. This is a deer. That is a deer. No change from singular to plural. DEER is an animal, not DEAR, which means a person you like. These are deer. Those are deer. This is a baby. That is a baby. For the plural, the Y changes into IES. These are babies. Those are babies. That is the last sentence for practice. In this lesson, you have learnt singulars and plurals of different varieties. irregular plurals they are called. You have also learnt where in the singular you should use article a and where you should use an. You have also learnt this and these for objects which are close to us, singular and plural. That and those for objects which are far away, singular and plural. Practice all these to become better and use correct English. Thank you and all the best.